Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make an ice-dyed geode style shirt. So I bought a new video camera, and even though the footage for tying the shirt actually recorded, for some reason I couldn't access that footage. It seems to be corrupt or something. So I am so sorry that I don't have the footage for that, but down below the description for this video, I'll leave a link to another video which shows how to tie a shirt that's very similar to this one. I'm going to dye this shirt in the muck, which just basically means that I'm going to leave the shirt sitting down in all the runoff from the melting ice. I'm also going to place the dye over the top of the ice for this shirt. So to begin, I twisted this shirt to get it to fit down inside of this smaller plastic container. And then I'm going to cover the top of the shirt with a layer of ice. I'm going to make the ice pretty thick because after all the ice melts, I want the shirt to be most of the way, if not fully submerged. I'm going to apply all of the dye colors in stripes on top of the ice. And I'm starting with Flint Stone from Dye Spin, followed by Cardinal Rose from Dye Spin, Charcoal Gray from Dharma Trading Company, Black Cherry from Dharma Trading Company, Red number 9 from Grateful Dyes, and Brushed Steel from Dharma Trading Company. Now over the top of the dye, I'm going to add a little sprinkle of soda ash, just to make sure that after all the ice melts and runs through the shirt, I still have plenty of soda ash left in the shirt. Now I'm going to take this smaller plastic container and put it inside of a little bit larger one just in case it happens to leak. Then I'm going to place it aside where I don't touch it or disturb it at all for at least 24 hours after all the ice melts. I think I left this one about 36 hours. So to rinse the shirt, I went ahead and took it to my utility sink and I began rinsing it in cold water. The cold water is intended to rinse out the soda ash. Then I untied the shirt. Then I gradually warmed the water up to hot and continued rinsing. Because the colors on this shirt are so dark, I kept getting dye out for quite a while, so instead of just continuing to rinse, I ran some hot water in my utility sink, added a little splash of Blue Dawn dish detergent, and I just allowed the shirt to soak. When the water cooled off, I changed it out a few more times and continued the process until the water was almost clear. Then I put it into my washing machine, along with a little bit of Dharma's textile detergent, and I washed it using a hot water cycle. Then after the shirt was washed and dried, this is what it looks like. Okay, so what do you guys think? I absolutely love the shirt, but red is also one of my favorite colors. I like all of the different color splits in this shirt. That's one of the reasons why I added in some of those other colors like the black cherry and the brushed steel, because those are great colors to color split. This is the first time that I've ever used the Flint Stone and the Crimson Rose to do any kind of ice dyeing. Both of those are dye spin colors, and I haven't had the dye spin dye for very long, so I'm just now starting to experiment with it a little bit. There are so many varying shades of red in this shirt that it just works really well with all the gray tones. So I absolutely love the shirt, but what do you guys think? Drop me a comment down below and let me know. And I sure would appreciate it if you would like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.